cheese sticks, food that all cheese lovers adore, and it's something that's also available in your pantry from day to day, and it's like keeping foods like potato in home. For this, we will be needing cheese, obviously, half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and some breadcrumbs. What we're gonna do first is I'm gonna take less than half teaspoon of salt and just put it in here, and then less than half teaspoon of black pepper as well. Around that much. Okay. I forgot to tell you that these cheese, I have cut it into these strips and they're around half an inch thick right now. Okay. And then I'm going to take half cup of all-purpose flour. So you fill it in there. Okay. And approximately done. I'm going to put it into this and give this a good mix. Until it is well combined. Okay, now that that's done, we are going to be coating our cheese. I'm going to put this flour away, and this one's going to take its position. Okay, I'm going to take the cheese, dip it in the flour, into the egg, back to the flour, back to the egg. I'm using 2 hands for this so that they don't get mixed up, and then to the breadcrumbs. And you just want to cover it. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna keep this back, and it's done. And now I'm just gonna do this with the rest of my sticks, and I'll see you when they're done. There you have it. Your donut, breadstick, nuggets, and cheese stick are ready. And they look awesome, but we can't eat them now because iftari hasn't happened yet. And if you guys like this recipe, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!